Manchester United ace Paul Pogba is about to be usurped by Alexis Sanchez as the club's top earner, but that has not stopped him from flashing his cash with a new £250,000 Rolls Royce Wraith. The 24-year-old was pictured driving to training at United's Carrington centre in the luxury black motor as he joins teammate Romelu Lukaku, who has a Rolls Royce Ghost. The Frenchman took to Instagram to further flaunt his extravagant lifestyle as he played pool on a custom-designed personalised table at his Cheshire mansion. Pogba currently possesses the best record of assists in the Premier League with 9 in 13 games this season. The midfield powerhouse gave fans a further glimpse into his lavish house with the video as a giant aquarium sits adjacent to the table. He moved into the 5-bedroom Cheshire property in February 2017, which features luxuries including a heated indoor swimming pool, saunas and his own media room. Wearing a yellow hoodie and a black jacket, the United star looked in a relaxed mood. After a comfortable 3-0 win over Stoke City at Old Trafford on Monday, Pogba's spirit was unsurprisingly high. The 24-year-old grabbed 2 assists on the night for Antonio Valencia and Anthony Martial and continued his unbeaten run with the club to 35 games. United travelled to face Sean Dyche's Burnley side that have gained plenty of plaudits this season for their performances. The Clarets almost beat United at Old Trafford on Boxing Day, only for a stoppage-time equaliser from Jesse Lingard to salvage a point in the frantic 2-2 encounter.